Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Muhammad Naeem. I am the lead author of 2 published papers in the International Journal of Qualitative Methods. The first, published in 2023, is titled A Step-by-Step Process of Thematic Analysis to Develop a Conceptual Model in Qualitative Research. The second, published in 2025, is titled Thematic Analysis and Artificial Intelligence, a step-by-step process for using ChatGPT in thematic analysis, co-authored with Tracy Smith and Lorna Thomas. In this video series, I bring both papers together. I will walk you through the 6 steps of systematic thematic analysis, and for each step, I will also show you how to use artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT or Claude to support that step of the analysis. The 6 steps are as follows. Step 1. Transcription, familiarization with the data, and selection of quotations. Step 2, selection of keywords. Step 3, coding. Step 4, theme development. Step 5, conceptualization through interpretation of keywords, codes, and themes. And Step 6, development of a conceptual model. Each step will be discussed in its own video one by one. I will explain how to perform the step manually using the decision frameworks we developed, and at the same time, I will show how to instruct AI to perform the same step using carefully designed prompts. Thank you for joining me. Let us begin. Before we begin the practical application of the methodology, I would like to briefly explain how this framework was developed and how you can use it in your own research. The methodology is based on 2 publications. The first publication is our 2023 paper titled A Step-by-Step Process of Thematic Analysis to Develop a Conceptual Model in Qualitative Research. In this paper, my co-authors and I introduced the Systematic Thematic Analysis framework, providing a structured 6-step process. What makes this framework distinctive is that it provides a systematic pathway from raw qualitative data to theoretical contributions. Rather than stopping at themes, the process continues from quotations to keywords, codes, themes, concepts, and finally the model. The second publication is our 2025 paper titled Thematic Analysis and Artificial Intelligence, a step-by-step process for using ChatGPT. In this paper, we explain how generative artificial intelligence can be integrated into each of the 6 stages of our framework. The prompts presented in this paper were not created from opinions. They were developed through extensive consideration of scholarly debates. We translated methodological guidance from the qualitative research literature into practical prompts that researchers can use with ChatGPT. These prompts are designed to improve transparency, consistency, accountability, and rigor when using AI in qualitative analysis. Throughout this series, I will frequently refer to tables from the 2025 paper. For example, I may say, please use the prompt in Table 1, or now we move to the prompt presented in Table 2. These refer specifically to the tables published in our 2025 article. I strongly recommend that you keep a copy of the paper available because we will repeatedly return to these tables. There are 2 ways to apply AI-assisted systematic thematic analysis. The first is the manual approach. In this approach, you work through the analysis step by step, copying the prompts from the relevant tables into ChatGPT. For Step 1, you use Table 1. For Step 2, you use Table 2, continuing this process until you reach conceptual model development. The advantage here is maximum transparency, allowing researchers to fully understand each stage of the analytical process. The second approach is to use the public systematic thematic analysis GPT that I have developed. Instead of manually copying prompts, you simply select the relevant tabs or instructions within the GPT interface. The GPT will then guide you through the entire 6-step process, asking for the information required at each stage. This approach is faster, more user-friendly, and particularly useful for researchers who are new to thematic analysis. Both approaches are valid. The manual approach offers greater transparency, while the GPT approach offers efficiency. In this series, I will explain both, focusing on the 2025 paper prompts, so you understand the methodological logic. Now that we have discussed the origins and approaches, let us begin with Step 1, familiarization and quotation extraction.